Creating your tax schedule is a two-step process. First, we define the applicable sales taxes, which are the individual government tax types. Second, we create the item taxes. These are made up of any combination of sales taxes and are applied directly to item properties. To set up the sales taxes, click on Database, Sales Taxes. Double-click a sales tax to view its properties. Enter a description and a code for the sales tax. If applicable, enter a minimum and maximum taxable amount. The minimum value would only apply tax to the item price if it exceeded this amount. The maximum taxable amount would only apply taxes on the item price up to this amount. Enter the sales tax rate as a percentage and, if applicable, a fixed amount of tax that is added regardless of the purchase amount. There are three checkbox options. The first will only apply tax to the portion of an item's price over the minimum taxable amount as specified here. For example, if the minimum taxable amount was set to $10 and the item price was $15, then tax would only be applied on the difference of $5. Include any previous sales tax in calculation would apply taxes based on the item price and taxes resulting from previous sales tax codes. The order in which they are applied is determined in the item tax setup, which we will view later. Checking the Use Partial Dollar method in Sales Tax Calculation box will allow the use of a partial dollar table to determine taxation. Check your local state tax laws to see if this applies. The second part to defining your tax schedule is to set up the item taxes. Click on Database, Item Taxes. Let's create the combined county and state tax. Click on New. Enter the description and code. From the drop-down boxes, choose which tax is applied, and use the checkbox to show on receipt. Click OK to save the item tax. Use this technique to create the possible combinations of taxes. When complete, you can apply the appropriate item tax to each item, which will then be applied at the point of sale.